$1.4 billion were spent last year on a drug that doesn't work. That's staggering. That's the significance of the Sudafeds and the stuff that Rod talked about. This
so much wasted energy.
$1.4 billion on something that didn't work. The FDA said there wasn't a safety issue, so it wasn't like, oh God, and you hurt yourself. Although not sure how that works either, taking a drug that didn't do anything. But that they said it was, wasn't particularly a safety issue. It just didn't work.
Yeah.
Well, we have studied this does work, right? I mean, this thing works, and it's everything we've discussed, all natural and all the things that go along with that. So it's just fun. And I said before, it's a little like we have a tiger by the tail. It's just so keep it simple, stupid device that when you're done with it, you get good at it, you put it down, and you just go, worst thing that happened to you was you had a 2-minute meditative nasal breathing session.
Sure.
I mean, that's not all bad either. I've got a son in law school in Chapel Hill, and he's used his, since I've been doing this, every single morning after his shower for 3 years. And when he lived in the fraternity house when he was undergrad, he had like 8 or 9 of his guys all using the Sinusonic. It just, you get good at it. It becomes part of your daily routine, and it works. I want to take one moment and just talk about the negatives, right? And the negative is, and I get this, is it's not rechargeable and you can't change the batteries. And in our world, that's not great. I get that. And we've instituted a recycling program and we've done some stuff. The problem with just making it recyclable, or it's not recyclable, rechargeable, or change the batteries, is twofold. One is just flat out a hygiene issue. Like you need to change your razor and you change your toothbrush. You are breathing warm, moist air into this thing. And over time, it's time for a new one. So that's one thing. And we've looked at the engineering, but then even if you do seal off, one, it'd be a way more expensive device, but two, it still would have to be clean. So, then you're going to put it in an ozone. There's a lot of issues with that. The other, quite frankly, is there's microelectronics and a little speaker that's cardboard, and those things don't hold well with, warm, moist air over a long time. Yeah. So I get the complaint about it, totally do. It is tough in today's world to get anything seen. You couldn't go to door to docs. So we have struggled telling people about this. So again, thank you for having us on today.
Yes.
That negative is real. We don't have a perfect answer for that. Again, we do have a subscription model where we'll send you one every 6 months. They last 6 months. If you sign up for the subscription model, you get 25% off, and we send you a return postage paid envelope to send these back, because we can recycle the plastic, the silicone, not all the batteries, but most of that then we can take care of and make sure we do recycle those in put them in an appropriate place. So I want to make sure I hit that while we're talking.
The pieces of the machine that need to be clean are the ones we're breathing through. So it's pretty freaking efficacious that they're clean. I mean, we definitely need it to be clean. And on top of that too, if you look at just the physiology of humming and the way that there's the acoustic vibration that's actually being used through the machine, nothing in this life is permanent. I can't exhale for eternity. I eventually have to inhale. When I think about how much money I've spent and how much pain I personally have gone through with my own sinuses, the cost of a device like this is absolutely nothing.
Check out some of the videos on this screen that are perfectly curated based on the video you just saw. Make sure you follow me, and I'll see you in the next video.